Hello everybody. Today's meeting is going to be about how we can make things from the internet our own.
Things on the internet like blogs. That's genius.
Yes, that is exactly what I am talking about. Does anyone have any thoughts on this matter?
This customizing has become huge in the newest generation. That seems like it would be hard to do on my own though. How is it done again?
Customizing is fun and easy. Customization with an Internet of Things can become fun for anyone. Let's see how this works.
That's awesome that you can customize anything you have access to on the internet. It seems easy to do also.
You're right, it seems easier now that we watched that video. It really helped me know how to change text color, background color, and even text box color. Now that we know this, I think I am going to try customizing my personal blog and making it all about me.
I think that sounds like a good plan. Making a blog about yourself. I am going to try changing my blog on my own and see how it works out.
Okay, so ending on that note, I think that concludes this meeting today. We learned so much about customizing a computer and how the process works. Thank you for joining me today for this meet.